Hi, this is Rick, and thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel, Rick Surowicz Watercolor, and welcome to my studio. This is going to be just a short demonstration on a technique that I use sometimes to create rocks in my painting. I use a scraping technique, pretty simple. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like this tip, feel free to click on the link in the lower right hand corner and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my videos or learn more about my online classes and workshops, you can click on the links at the end of the video. So I'm here in my studio and I've got a small sheet of 140-pound cold press watercolor paper on a board, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit and show my palette. But all I've done is drawn a couple simple rock shapes here, and then just the edge of what might be say a rocky ledge or something. You can use this on like the peninsula sticking out in some water, or anywhere really where you have kind of hard rocky surfaces. So it's pretty straightforward, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take I'll take a little raw sienna, a little cerulean blue. I'll mix those together, give me a warm and a cool, and I'll take some burnt orange, stronger, and a little of this royal blue. This is a dark blue. And so I normally use a warm and a cool. I'll start with a lighter mixture. So I'm going to put this this light tone down, this kind of raw sienna with a little cerulean blue in it. And I'll come over here, get a little cooler mixture, and just paint that in. And then I'm going to take the burnt orange, go a little stronger. And I'll drop some of that in. And now I'll take this mixture with the royal blue, which is darker and cooler. And when I put that down, it's somewhat wet, right? So I can move that paint around. I'm going to take my little scraping tool that I have here and just take an edge, and I'm just going to scrape. Creates an interesting edge. I'll do the same here. It just gives me this kind of hard edge surface. And next what I'm going to do is we'll take some of these colors. We'll take the burnt orange, and I'll leave a little bit of an edge there. Take some of that royal blue, and let's say I had a rocky ledge, and we'll come up to that. I'm not going to paint this out completely. I just want to give the idea of the scraping technique. Maybe a little more of that blue in there. So I have warm, I have cool, some lighter, some darker. And then what I would do is, once again, I'll take a large edge here. I'll drag it. I might take it and kind of take the flat of it and scrape to give me that rocky edge look. So now, I have the cool, I have the warm kind of mixing together, and I have some scraping that I've done that creates some hard edges, some patterns in the surface. But that's just a quick, simple illustration of a way that you can use scraping to put some rocks or rocky ledges or edges into your paintings. And if you wanted, you could put a tree up here. It could be an edge looking over the ocean, whatever the case may be. So hopefully you find that tip helpful and have fun experimenting with it.